This is the question given in JEE 2021, 24th February, Shift 2. You observe NTA has dropped this question in the final official answer key. Why they dropped this question? You observe in the question they given here positive x-axis. Actually it is x-axis only. While doing the solution you will get clear idea. All these things you will understand clearly while doing the solution of this problem. This question is numerical based question. That's why options are not there for this question. First, you try to understand what they are asking in the question. If the area of the triangle formed by x-axis, not positive x-axis, area of triangle formed by x-axis, normal and tangent to this circle at this point is A. You observe here, they given one circle, na? I drawn that circle equation. Okay. For that circle at 5, 7, I drawn normal. Look here, this is normal. Now we know that normal passes through center of this circle. Normal and tangent. I drawn normal and tangent to this circle. Where is the triangle formed by x-axis, normal and tangent to this circle at this point? You can observe this is x-axis. This is normal, this is tangent. So what they are saying that A is the area of the triangle. This area, you observe here, this is A. Area of this triangle is A. If area of this triangle is A, then they are asking what is 24A. They given circle equation x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 25. As they given circle equation, we can write its center. You know x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square is the equation of a circle. So for this circle, center is 2, 3 and radius is 5. This is r square, radius is 5. So I'll mark the center of this circle 2, 3. To calculate area of this triangle, I'll try to calculate this point as well as this point. To calculate these points, first I'll find equation of normal. And then I'll calculate point of intersection of x-axis and this line. Equation of normal. How to find equation of normal? This line is passing through 2 points. Na? By using 2-point form, you can find equation of normal. Equation of normal. Yes, what is the formula? Y minus y1. I'll take this point as x1, y1. I'll take this point as x2, y2. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1, 7 minus 3, 4 divided by x2 minus x1, 5 minus 2, 3 into x minus x1, 2. Okay, if you simplify this, you will get equation of normal. 3y minus 9 equal to 4x minus 8. You simplify this, you will get 4x minus 3y. When you take minus 9 to this side, plus 9 minus 8 is plus 1 equal to 0. What is this? This is equation of normal. What is this? This is equation of normal. I calculated this line equation. Okay. Now, x-axis. We know that an x-axis y coordinate is 0. An x-axis y coordinate is 0. And we know that equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. What I'll do to calculate this point, you put y equal to 0 in this. If y equal to 0, you put y equal to 0 in this equation, then you will get 4x plus 1 equal to 0. From this, what is x? X equal to minus 1 by 4. So, where the normal intersecting the x-axis at the point minus 1 by 4 comma 0. At this point, what is this point? This point is minus 1 by 4 comma 0. You can observe why NTA dropped this question. You see here, if they give positive x-axis, actually this normal is intersecting x-axis at negative x-axis. Area of triangle found by not only positive x-axis. Here negative x-axis is also involved. I hope you are understanding. So as they are saying area of triangle found by positive x-axis, but the normal drawn at 5, 7 intersecting the x-axis on the negative x-axis. I got this point as minus 1 by 4 comma 0. From this we can easily say what is this length. What is this length? As this point is minus 1 by 4 comma 0, this length is 1 by 4, not minus 1 by 4. We know that length is always positive. So this length is 1 by 4. My intention is I want to calculate area of this triangle. Now I calculated this point. Now I want to calculate this point. To calculate this point, I'll find equation of tangent. I'll find equation of this line. This is equation of tangent at 5, 7. I know the point on this line 5 comma 7. As tangent and normal both are perpendicular, if I know slope of normal, I can easily write slope of tangent also. So I know slope of tangent, I know the point on the tangent. So I can easily calculate equation of tangent by using point slope form. Equation of tangent at 5 comma 7. Here y minus y1 is 7, y minus y1 equal to m, slope of tangent. Here you know slope of normal, na? Slope of tangent is minus 1 divided by slope of normal. So here minus 1 divided by slope of normal. You can find slope of this line because we know 2 points on this line. Y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 3, 4 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3 into x minus x1. What is x1? x1 is 5. Now you simplify this. What you will get? This will become minus 3 by 4. If I simplify, I'll get like this. 4y minus 28 equal to minus 3x plus 15. If I write in general form, 3x plus 4y minus 28 minus 15 is minus 43 equal to 0. What is this? This is equation of tangent. I want to find this point. We know that on x-axis y coordinate is 0. I'll solve x-axis and this line. You put y equal to 0 in this equation. If you put y equal to 0 in this equation, then you will get 3x minus 43 equal to 0, x equal to 43 divided by 3. So what is this point? This point is 43 divided by 3 comma 0. What I am trying to calculate? I am trying to calculate area of this triangle. Now I already know this length is 1 by 4. As I got this point 43 by 3 comma 0, I know what is this. This is 43 by 3. This length is 43 divided by 3. I want to calculate area of this triangle. Na? To calculate area of the triangle, I know area of the triangle is half into base into height. Now I can calculate this full length because this length is 1 by 4 and this length is 43 by 3. So I can calculate base. And what about height of the triangle? As you know this point 5 comma 7, you can easily say that height of the triangle is 7 because y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from point to x-axis. This length is 5, this length is 7. So as we know this point, I can easily say that height of the triangle is 7. So here to calculate area of triangle, I'll name these points A, B, C. Okay, I'll calculate AB. What is AB? AB is 1 by 4 plus 43 divided by 3. If we simplify this, you will get 175 divided by 12. Now, what is the height of the triangle? We know that height of the triangle is 7. Okay, so I'll calculate area of the triangle. Area equal to half into base. What is base? Base is AB. AB is 170 divided by 12 into height. Height is 7. So what they are asking in the question? In the question they are asking what is 24a. You observe here 2 into 12 is 24. You take 24 to left hand side part. What you will get? 24a equal to 175 into 7. 175 into 7 is 1225. Therefore, the answer is 1225.